To turn on dark mode on the OnePlus Nord CE5, start by opening settings. Next you will have to scroll down and navigate for display and brightness and go into the dark mode and just click over here. You can also schedule the dark mode, so you can click here and set it from sunset to sunrise or custom one, so it will turn off the light mode on the 6 a.m. and turn on the dark mode. It will turn on light mode on the 6 a.m. and turn on dark mode on 10 p.m. You can for sure change it if you want, just up to your preferences. When you go back, you can also find some other settings of the dark mode. So it will also adjust wallpapers to the dark mode. So as you can see, the wallpaper is dimmed. You can also do the same for icons. There we go. And there's also option to reduce contrast in the low light conditions, like so. So yeah, that's all.